Ashish Kumar Kure, Principal, Panchvati English Medium School, which is run by Amrit Sagar Educational and Human Research Institute. This school has been established with the motive and objective to provide quality education, which has been provided by EduAid. EduAid, when was approached to us, we found it very useful product for our kids, staff, students, which is basically designed for hands-on activities like in science, maths, even language activities are fantastic.
Hello, my name is David. I am daughter of Vedanta, chief student of Panchvati English Medium School. Vedanta was always a bright student and she is a consistent high holder.
Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine. I am Sarthiki Jain. I am associated with Panchvati English Medium School for last 5 years. As a teacher, I have seen a rapid transformation that is constantly taking place in the field of education. Things were different earlier. Education was a traditional method. We used to use blackboard and textbook, but now, after pandemic, things have changed. We also have come online. We take classes online, we conduct exams online, and also we host doubt solving sessions online.
Hello everyone, this is Wahid Saleh, a student from Panchvati English Medium School. Yes, you can embrace your skills over here, and I know that I am going to have a bright future with the help of the extraordinary, hardworking and caring teachers. All the teaching and non-teaching staff are so dedicated and hardworking that they only seek for the goodness for a child, and I think I am one of the luckiest students who got this type of quality education. Thank you.
Hi, I am Neha Yavin from class 10. I am currently studying in Panchvati English Medium School. My school incorporates and brings new curricular activities every new year for our kids. Recently, our school took the kids on an educational trip to a place where the kids saw a plethora of new career opportunities and ideas. I am blessed to be a part of Panchvati family, and the Panchvati family helped